Hey, it's your girl Z Lashe. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys my updated eyebrow routine. First, I'm gonna shape my brows with this eyebrow brush slash comb. I'm just gonna shape them into the desired shape. Next, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I believe the color I chose is in Ebony. And I'm gonna take an angled brush and just dab it and cover the brush with both sides of the pomade. So now I'll just take that angled brush with the higher part kind of like facing my brow, if that makes sense, and just outline and fill in my brow. Concealer of your choice. I love this LA Pro Girl Conceal, especially with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And I'm gonna use a flat brush, but you could also use an angled brush for your concealer. And I'm just gonna warm the product up on my hand a little bit. I feel like it blends a little better once the product is warm. Take your time when you do this concealer step, because not only are you cleaning up your brow, but you're actually shaping your brow as well. Now, putting concealer on the top of your brows is totally optional. You can also go in the top of your brows with a darker foundation, a darker concealer. You don't have to do the top at all. Underneath, you could go in with a darker concealer as well if you want to know a more natural look. What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. Now, this step is totally optional, but I like it with this pomade. I'm just going to take a spoolie and kind of just blend out that pomade because it's really harsh. But if you like a nice thick dark brow, you don't have to blend it out as much. Just blend it to your desire. What's going on right now? Now, this part is necessary and super important. I'm just gonna take a flat brush and just blend, honey. Blend them brows out. You don't want any harsh lines with the concealer. Just blend as best as you can. So now, can't waste any time now, I'm finna put y'all onto a hack real quick. This Q-tip is like a magic stick when it comes to blending the concealer, especially a thick concealer like the LA Pro Girl Conceal. If you notice how when I use that on my brows, that harsh line of concealer kind of just disappears and blends in. Use a Q-tip if you are struggling to blend. I promise it works. At this point, my concealer was all blended how I like, and I felt like the pomade was still a little bit too harsh on my brow, so I just used the spoolie again to go ahead and, you know, brush out any harsh lines or darkness that I saw. So now this step is optional as well, especially if you're not going to be wearing makeup all day. But I set my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It's a little pricey, but NYX has a really good brow gel, e.l.f. has a really good brow gel, and I believe CoverGirl has a really good clear mascara. But you can use a clear mascara as a brow gel as well, just because it's kind of hard to find brow gels. Now I'm going to take my Neutrogena Holy Grail Rice Powder. I've been using this for years and years and years. My cousin put me on like 7 years ago. It's really good for my oily girls, especially if you're going to be wearing your makeup all day. I promise you, your concealer will not budge. It will not shine. Maybe a touch up through up half the day and you'll be good. This is also another optional step to take. I'm just putting a little bit of highlight under my brow. This is really cute if you want to do kind of a glam brow. Just bring a little glow to it. Alright y'all, that concludes this eyebrow tutorial. Here are the final brows. Okay, on fleek, baby. And then I'm going to insert a clip with my brows with a little foundation powder. If you like what you all saw, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. They try to talk that shit, they will know it can't be slept.